Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain what Real Debrid is and how you can use it to improve your streaming experience. Real Debrid is a premium multi-hosting service that gives you access to high-quality streaming links with faster speeds and fewer buffering issues. It doesn't host movies or shows itself. Instead, it unlocks premium download servers that work with popular apps like Stremio, Kodi, and Cinema HD. To use Real Debrid, visit real-debrid.com and create an account. Once you've signed up, choose a subscription plan. It's very affordable, and even the cheapest plan gives you full access. After payment, you'll get a token to link Real Debrid to your streaming apps. For example, in Stremio or Kodi, go to the settings, select the Add-ons or Account section, and choose Authorize Real Debrid. You'll be shown a code. Just enter that code on the Real Debrid website to link your device. After that, when you search for a movie or show, you'll notice new sources labeled as RD or Debrid. These links stream much faster, often in Full HD or even 4K. So Real Debrid doesn't give you content. It enhances your existing apps by providing reliable, high-speed streams that make watching smoother and more enjoyable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.